Here we have the installation of a Mannington Adura Flex. It's a 1x2 format tile, about 180 square feet in a glue down version. Here we have a ceramic tile that we were going over, and what we needed to do is skim coat that complete floor to smooth out the grout lines and create a nice smooth surface for a glue down. So first we needed to prime the floor with the latex primer. After that dried, then we proceed with the coats of the embossing leveler. Initially thought it was going to be 2, but we actually needed 3 coats to smooth out the flooring. And after that is dried, we completed the installation and started our glue down. Here it is about 2/3 done, like a 1x2 in a brick format. And here is the completed installation in a small kitchen and down the hallway. We actually centered the first 2 tiles down the hallway, so it gives an equal distance on either side. So we centered it down the hallway and continued it through the kitchen. So this completes a really nice installation. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com, go to our video gallery and see other categories of installations. Thank you for watching.